Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rescue Story on guitar. We will begin by mastering the four fundamental open chords, G, C, M, and D. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Understanding their shapes and how they relate to the song's key will set a strong foundation for your playing journey. Get ready to strum along and bring this beautiful melody to life. Next, let's dive into the strumming pattern, which is primarily a simple down-down-up-up-down-up motion. Practice this pattern slowly to ensure each strum is clear and even. The song's tempo is around 72 beats per minute, so aim for a steady, consistent rhythm. Pay close attention to the feel of the song, allowing the strumming to drive the melody forward with confidence. Achieving smooth chord transitions is crucial for a seamless performance. Practice switching between G and C, then M and D, and finally all four in sequence. Start slowly, perhaps at 50 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed as you gain proficiency. The goal is to make each chord change feel effortless, allowing the music to flow without interruption. Consistent practice will build muscle memory. To elevate your playing, consider adding dynamics by varying your strumming intensity. You might also try using a capo on the second fret, which shifts the key and offers a brighter, more resonant tone. Finally, put all these elements together by practicing the entire song from beginning to end. Focus on consistency, musicality, and enjoying the process of making music. You're doing great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.